Hello guys, welcome back to Earnest Lifestyle. Those who are new here, I'm Khushi and this channel is all about living a productive, healthy and low waste lifestyle. So do consider subscribing for new videos every week. In this video, I'll tell you about low waste and simple gift ideas for Christmas and New Year. I have included DIYs like floating candle jars and coffee scrub in this video. My first and one of the most favorites is giving the gift of a plant. This entire process is like a magical therapy to me. It's really wonderful to give someone something that is living and brings great amount of joy. You can use any ceramic or terracotta pot and add a plant of your choice. The best would be to use something from your own garden. Many plants propagate very easily, and what better way to have a part of your own plant growing somewhere else and bringing joy to your loved ones. Here I have chosen one of the varieties of succulent which are very easy to look after and are very sturdy. I just decided to wipe off its leaves with a tissue and a little bit of water. I thought it would be a good idea to give it a little tag made out of a toothpick and a sticky note to give it more gift-like feel. If you love painting, then take out some time and finish those old canvases which would be a beautiful gift for the people you love. Your work will be appreciated and looked after in their homes. Making a painting or a sketch reminds us to take small steps and focus on the whole picture rather than bits and pieces. Taking it slow is what we need in our fast-paced lives. It's a great idea to make a body scrub as people always love using something that is homemade. Here I am making a coffee scrub for face and body. It has only 3 simple ingredients and is super effective. Sugar is excellent against aging, promotes healthy and smooth skin. Coconut oil is anti-inflammatory. It moistures skin and protects the skin from harmful bacteria. I am adding more than 3 tablespoons of coconut oil because I am preparing this batch for personal use. And in winters, I feel coconut oil provides the much needed extra nourishment to the skin. Coffee again is an excellent exfoliator. It removes the dead and dull skin. It also makes the skin look radiant and younger. You need to mix it all together very well so that everything is incorporated. Now my consistency is a little gooey because of the extra coconut oil. However, if you add 3 tablespoons of oil in it, it will be perfect. You can then transfer it into a jar like this. This is my regular storage jar, or you can put it in any other storage jar that you wish to gift. Our beautiful all-natural coffee scrub is ready. It's made of highly nourishing ingredients which makes it a perfect gift for winters. Now these are not the often thought about gift ideas, but trust me, if you have parents of newborns around you, it will make for a perfect gift. It's zero waste, reusable, good for the baby and good for the environment. Any parent would love to try it out for the little ones, making it the most useful of the lot of gifts. Giving little ones in your friends and families Wooden toys is the best way to inculcate better habits in young kids. They are not only cheaper and safer options, but are also more durable and can be passed on to others in the family or someone in need. The world we live in is often chaotic and stressful. When it's so difficult to keep ourselves away from all the anxiety, oil diffusers are a perfect gift to help reduce some of the stress and bring calmness into our friends' lives. My personal favorites are reed diffusers and the ceramic diffusers, as they don't require electricity and they add a very rustic and authentic charm to any corner of the room. The right essential oil can also help with insomnia and fight against airborne germs in the homes of our loved ones. These are eco-friendly, cute little bundles of positivity and joy. You can always repurpose any old chocolate or sweet box to make something unique out of it. Add an additional layer of cardboard cutout on the top and put a picture of your best friend or family onto it. I'm using this old box which was a gift from one of my friend, and I'm adding a picture of my family in it. You can then fill it with homemade cookies, cakes or dry fruits, and they make an awesome, elegant and waste-free gift option which is reusable as well. The joy of creating something beautiful is always the best. Take the glass jars that you want to gift or use any old mason jars and get creative. Paint them with your favorite colors. Try out your unique designs and paintings all over it. I have kept it very simple. Using the old toothbrush, I am spraying some bright joyful colors on the jar. I just felt like using red and white. Probably it's the season on my mind. These are the few stones that I had. I'm adding them to one of the jars, which will enhance the overall effect. Leave it to dry for some time and then you can get even more creative with it. I'll tie these jute threads around the jars and decorate it with few dried leaves and soft branches that I picked up when we went out walking earlier today. Our world is full of so many beautiful little things which we often overlook in our busy lives. If only we could slow down for a while and take a closer look at what Mother Earth has to offer. It's always a good idea to find some time, stop for a while and appreciate things around us. These small little things that often go unnoticed have made for a perfect decor with their raw and natural beauty. I'll now fill these jars with water and oil. You can also add few fresh flower petals or leaves in the water. I'll then add floating candle wicks on top of it. These candles will last as long as you keep topping it up with some oil. You could also blow them in between and light them again later. Put the lid on the jar and gift them to make lives of your favorite people brighter and happier. The best part is they can reuse it as storage containers after a quick wash, and everything else can be added to the compost bin. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and share with your friends and family. If you feel like giving me an early Christmas and a New Year gift, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. It would mean a lot to me.